In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Notion. To get started, the first thing you want to do is choose the connection method that makes the most sense for your workflow. A lot of people use tools like Zapier or Make because they let you automate the transfer of data between apps without needing to code anything. Another option, depending on what you need, is using an embed link if you simply want to display Airtable content inside Notion rather than create a full automation. The right choice depends on whether you want live automation, a simple visual embed, or more advanced control over how information moves between the two platforms. Once you've decided on the connection method, open the Airtable base or specific view you want to connect. This is important because the data in that base or view is what will be sent over to Notion. If you're using a specific filtered view, make sure it shows exactly the records you want included. That can help prevent unnecessary data from being passed into your Notion workspace. Next, open the Notion page or database where you want the Airtable data to appear. Before moving on, it helps to quickly check that your Notion setup is ready to receive the information. For example, if you're sending records into a database, make sure the properties there are organized in a way that will be easy to map later. A little preparation here can save time during setup. After that, connect the apps through your chosen integration tool. Sign into both Airtable and Notion, and authorize access so the tool can communicate with each platform. During this step, take a moment to confirm that you're connecting the correct workspace, base, page, or database, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once both apps are connected, you'll move on to mapping fields. This means matching the columns from Airtable with the corresponding properties in Notion. The goal here is to make sure each piece of information lands in the right place. For example, a text field in Airtable should generally map to a text property in Notion, and date fields should align with date properties whenever possible. Careful mapping helps avoid messy imports or formatting issues. When the field mapping looks good, test the connection by sending one sample record from Airtable to Notion. This is a crucial step because it lets you confirm that the data appears correctly before turning anything on fully. Check the result in Notion and make sure the content is accurate and properly formatted. If the test works, go ahead and turn on the automation. Once activated, the connection will begin running based on the setup you created, allowing your Airtable data to flow into Notion more efficiently.